Good afternoon, investors and traders. At least I hope you're investors and traders. If you're watching my video, if you're not, then I don't know why you're watching my video. Like, I seriously don't. Anyways, Genius brand announced a deal to create Stan Lee's universe. It's a flop, obviously, because the stock tanked right after they announced it. I mean, it's kind of weird how they come out and they're like, oh, we have some big news to tell you guys. We have a press conference and everything. The stock shoots up. I said that, I clearly made a video on that day saying that I think, it's probably going to go back down again. And, I just don't think the valuation makes sense. And what happened as soon as they released this news? The stock tanked. It took off and it tanked. And will it head down to $1? I hope so. But will it? I have no idea. I don't have a short position in Genius Brands. I sold out my short position because honestly, my opinion is I think the stock will probably bounce around. I'm not gonna really read this. I'm sure you guys probably read this 100 times. I'm just bringing out the title. We can look at the charts and I can tell you what I see. Right now the stock is downtrending and I think it will continue, and I think we will see in the near future, maybe not the near future, but probably sometime in July or possibly August, I think we're going to see $1.30. Unless the management comes out again and tries to pump the stock up again, just like they did with the last news release. That could be a possibility. I have no idea. It's all up to management on their news release, because this company doesn't run on fundamentals, they run on news. So, yeah. Hopefully some good news for all you shareholders of Genius Brands. I'm not a shareholder. If it went down to $1.30, $1.50, I might be a trader in it, not really a shareholder, because so far I'm not impressed with their content. Like, I've been watching Warren Buffett, Secret Millionaire Club. It has a catchy theme song though, which I have to admit, but ultimately, I don't think it's such a great show. Stan Lee, if you guys not aware, he's passed on. He was a legend, and this article makes a little bit no sense to me, because Stan Lee's gone. So couldn't they just use his property for free? Maybe, I don't know. I don't know how that works really, but maybe I should look more into it. Anyways, NEO today skyrocketed, because why? I don't know. I seriously don't know why today skyrocketed. 15% today, 13.55%. My guess is big money is bloop, 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 up the stock, pumping up the stock. So, oh man, that sounds so bad. That just sounds so horrible what I just did. But I don't. Yeah. Anyways, I think rich people are pumping NEO because it makes no sense for NEO stock to keep going up and up and up and up. It doesn't, because RSI is at 89 and the stock just keeps going up. Why? I don't know. Can you guys explain to me why in the comments below why NEO stock just keeps pumping up? I think it's just rich people just want to pump up their stock. That's why it keeps going up. That's the best explanation I can give you guys for why I think NEO's up. Tesla, all the same scenario. Short squeeze, stock pumping, shorts from Elon Musk causing short sellers to cover even more. I have no idea at the end of the day. I wish they updated the short position. As of June 15th, it had a total of 15.14 million. I wonder what it is right now, but shorts will be back. They'll be back. They'll call this thing overvalued. They're probably bitter, and they'll be back. They'll try to short this thing back down. We'll see what happens. The more shorts try to fight Tesla stock, the higher it will rise, because of short squeezes. That's my opinion. And we all know the bulls and the long-term investors that will die with this company will never sell a single share. So the float is super tight on this stock, in my opinion. Solo. On the other hand, Solo has no commitment to it. Nobody really gives a crap about Solo. Probably because their cars are ugly. You know, that's just the reality of it. Whatever. I'm still a shareholder. I did sell out of my car positions on the bounce today. So I took my profits on my car position because I could lose 100% on my position. But with stocks, I can just patiently wait and hope the stock goes up over time. Hope that the company releases some amazing news and the stock goes up. But right now, this correction is actually really good, simply because the RSI is no longer in overbought territories. Now it's just up to somebody pumping up the stock. I don't know who. Maybe the company with some press release. But the company really needs to come out and do some PR if they want the stock price to go up. Unless they want it to go down. I actually prefer it to go down, because then I can load back onto my call options. I'm not going to gamble it goes down. If it goes up massively, I'm probably going to buy some put option on it. But if it goes down massively, I'm going to buy some call options on it. Right now, I'm kind of in the neutral territory. I do have a little bit of call options, but I sold off most of my call options. So, you know, just disclosure a little bit. But we'll see what happens in the future. Moving forward, Workhorse today down 11.64%. I called it. I called it when it was at $20-something. And I said that it should sell off, and it sold off. Will it continue to go down? I have no idea. It all depends on the big money and investors and day traders and short sellers. They're the ones who determine if the stock price goes down or up. I don't have a single position in this company. Shell Taurus Acquisition Corp looks a little bit more attractive to me right now, but it's downtrending. So I'm expecting this thing to go down to at least $20, and you know, unless the management can come out or some kind of news release gets released on this company, or if rich people all of a sudden comes out and decide to pump the stock, then it'll go up. Nikola Motors. I so wish I shorted this stock. Like, I so wish. I still wouldn't even touch it at this price, because I still think $15 billion is kind of a high valuation. Blink Charger down $1.27, 15.24%. Still wouldn't touch the stock, even though the float is very, very tight. The float on this stock is 18.23 million shares. Very little share amounts and a tight float. But the valuation seems a little ridiculous. Little bit. I mean, it's a charging station. It's worth $200 million. So, I guess Nikola is even more ridiculous. They make zero revenue and they're $15 billion. Arcomotive is up 30 cents, 4.17%. This one is a fan favorite. I actually want to buy some into this, but I'm waiting for a pullback. Will it happen? I don't know. I hope so. We'll see what happens in the future. Looks like Matthews short report, basically that's what I call it, worked on this company because the stock doesn't want to. Nobody seems to want to pump the stock right now. The market today is slightly red. No, just slightly. Not too ugly, not too green. My gold is up, so that means my position ABX should be up. I should go check that. Nordic American Tankers. No, not really doing too much. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's almost back to its 52-week high. I bought it like right here, so I'm up like 17% on my gold position, $15,000. DHT down 11 cents. Not too much to say about this. My very stock had a pump yesterday, and today profit taking. I'm a long-term investor in the very good company. I'm not selling a single share because the price I bought it at I think is undervalued. I even think it's undervalued right now. But, you know, just because I really believe in the future prospect of very good food company, I believe that one day we could see this company be worth $1 billion. I don't know how much the company will dilute during that time, but I believe that one day this will become a $1 billion company. It just depends on how management executes. Yep, Aurora is up 37 cents, 3.04%. Canopy growth today is down 2.13%. I wonder why the Aurora is getting pumped today. I think this is a trap. Bull trap right there. But again, I could be wrong, and that could be a start of a big pump up. Cron down 13 cents. Afria down half a penny. Hexo down half a penny. Tilray down 3 cents. Organigram up 6.5 cents today, 4.17%. Some of the U.S. multi-state operator, Harvest Health, down 3 cents today. Curaleaf is down 8 cents today. Cresco Labs is down 2 cents today. True is down 19 cents today. Liberal Health Science is down half a penny today, 45 cents. Looks very attractive to me, but it could go down lower. We'll see what happens. It is downtrending right now, so I'd stay away from it. Wait a little bit longer, but I could be wrong, and this could be a big bounce coming up here soon. Man today, but down half a penny. Ianthus is still halted. True Eve is down 18 cents today. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.